What is up guys, Joe here back with another video. Today I wanted to cover how to liquid stake the Polygon MATIC token on the Lido platform. So as you know, Polygon is one of the most popular layer 2 solutions for the Ethereum mainnet, and it's ranked number 6 in total value locked with over 1.7 billion locked in its protocol. And on top of that, according to DeFi Llama, the Lido platform is ranked number 2 in total value locked with over 7 billion in total value locked under their platform. So investors are super bullish on the Lido platform, where you can stake other coins such as Ethereum, Solana, Kusama, Polygon, and Polkadot and earn a high yield for staking your coins with them. So today I wanted to cover a complete guide on how to liquid stake your Polygon into the Lido platform. So before we begin, make sure you install the Metamask wallet on their official website at metamask.io. Make sure you have some Polygon tokens plus some Ethereum available so you can stake and pay for gas while depositing your tokens. So let's get started. And if we access my Metamask wallet up here, you do see that I have deposited a few tokens already into my Ethereum mainnet within Metamask. So I do have some Ether available, and on top of that I have roughly 300 MATIC available. So keep in mind, in order to deposit into Lido, you will need a bit of Ethereum to pay for gas fees. Gas fees are essentially a transaction fee to send your token from one destination to another. And I know gas fees can be expensive sometimes, especially on Ethereum, but the good thing is recently the gas prices have fallen under $1, and I do like to check this website, ethereumprice.org/gas, and on here you can see a historical view of when the best time to send Ether or Polygon. So as you can see, the best time to send Polygon is in the middle of the night, roughly between 8 p.m. Pacific and up to 6 a.m. Pacific. So when you load this website, it'll revert to your local time zone. You don't want to send tokens during the middle of the week. That includes Monday through Friday during normal work hours. That's when the network is the busiest, and that's when you pay the highest gas fees. So definitely you want to send it overnight, and ideally somewhere between 10 p.m. or midnight, and that's when you get the best gas price. And one more thing, when you're withdrawing your Polygon, say from Coinbase, obviously you do also have the option of using the Polygon network to pay for gas fees. So keep that in mind if you want to save money as well. So once you've loaded up your Metamask wallet with some MATIC and Ethereum, what you want to do is visit the official Lido website at lido.fi, and on here you click on stake now, and it'll bring you to the various supported networks, and we're looking to stake on Polygon, so let's click on stake now. Cool. And once you're on here, go ahead and connect your wallet, click on connect wallet and select Metamask. So it should be an instantaneous connection, and as you can see, I have roughly 300 MATIC available on my Metamask wallet, and you want to make sure you're under the stake tab. So for staking your MATIC with Lido, your APR here is 8.6%, and when you stake your MATIC with them, for every one MATIC token you deposit, in return you'll receive an equivalent stMATIC. An stMATIC is a liquid representation of your staked MATIC. So this is a 1-to-1 equal ratio of the same token. Think of stMATIC as your receipt for depositing your MATIC into Lido. So once you get to this area, under amount, click max. It'll auto-populate your available balance. And the exchange rate, currently the slippage rate is not 1-to-1, it's roughly 1 to 0.96 staked MATIC. So it's a little off the peg, but that's okay. So for the 300 Polygon you deposit, in return you do receive 290.95 MATIC in return. But that's okay, because remember, you're always free to unstake your tokens and you will always receive the original amount plus rewards you staked. So try not to worry too much about this exchange rate. So the first thing you want to do is click on unlock tokens, and this will grant Metamask access to the Lido platform. So let's click on unlock tokens and verify the transaction within your Metamask wallet. Cool, so now you've granted permission. So now the next step would be to actually stake now. Click on stake now and verify the transaction in your Metamask wallet, and the transaction has been confirmed. You can view the transaction on Etherscan to view the entire transaction details. So close this out. So now if you view your Metamask wallet, under assets you do see your new balance is 0 MATIC, but on the Lido platform you do have 290 staked MATIC. So how do we add the staked MATIC to our Metamask assets section? That's very simple. Go to coingecko.com, go ahead and search for stMATIC and click on the first search result, Lido Stake Magic. And on here, simply click on the MetaMask icon found on the right here. And it's asking, would you like to add this asset to your MetaMask wallet? And click yes, add token. Great, so back to MetaMask. So now if you scroll lower under assets, you do see that our stMATIC has populated. And the balance again is 290.95. So great, in order to claim your rewards, you will have to first unstake your MATIC. And once you unstake your MATIC, then your rewards will become available to be claimed. So if you wanted to unstake, you would simply go to unstake and choose the amount you would like to unstake and hit unstake. And once you unstake that, which should be roughly in 3 to 4 days unbonding period, you can then go to claim. And on there, you can claim your MATIC rewards. But obviously, this should be the end of the process when you're ready to unstake and claim rewards. I'm a long-term believer and holder in the MATIC token, so I will not be unbonding for a long time. I definitely recommend you hold and stake your MATIC within Lido. Cool, and there you have it, a quick guide on how to liquid stake in the Lido Finance platform. Definitely keep an eye out on Beefy Finance. I will be making more content explaining how to yield farm your LP tokens within this multi-chain platform. I highly recommend it to anyone who wants to make a double yield on their staking tokens. So on Beefy Finance, there are popular vaults such as the stMATIC pair, which is currently earning you 31% APR, or the stMATIC LP, which is currently earning you 25% APY. There are tons of other vaults to choose from under the Polygon network, and I'll cover those in a separate video. And you can stay up to date with everything Lido Finance related at Lido Finance on their Twitter page, and everything Polygon on their official Twitter page at 0xPolygon. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.